Hello friend, thanks for stopping by at my corner of YouTube today for this Vlogmas series. My desire is to add a few more interesting meals to your festive table. I hope you watch till the end of this series, okay? Now, let's get started. If you've been watching me, you know I live in Miami, Florida, and it's a lot tropical season round, so we don't have crazy winter weather. So most times we have what we call cold front. Some days where the temperature drops to like 45, 50 or thereabout. So usually we don't go, layering up so much. So during this season, I like to go to the stores, see what is available, pick one or two things to add to, what I have. Because some days, some weeks, we are fine. We are fine to the point of not needing any sweater. Some days too, we need to layer up a little. So follow me as I go to my store to check out what they have this season. One interesting thing about clothing during this season is that most of them come with beautiful, lovely inscriptions. What sort of inscriptions do you like on your clothes? This particular top caught my attention. I liked the beautiful, nice inscription on it. And when I touched it, I could feel this beautiful sequence. So I decided to roll the sequence. Wait till you see what is behind. Oh, what do you think? Can you pull up this? Is it something you can wear? I'm not sure, because I'm not certain that it will not be turned to the other side sometimes, So tell me what you think in the comment section. What are your best Christmas inscriptions on your clothes?